to do a lot of cooking and baking at home and often try new recipes, but I hate the cleanup and the mess. So that's why I'm excited to try these new parchment paper sheets that were gifted to me by Baker's Signature. These sheets are non-stick and come in quantities of either 120 sheets or in my case, I have the 220 sheet pack. The sheet also comes in two sizes. This pack is 12 by 16 inches, but just to let you know, you can also get the same sheets in 16 by 24 inches. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I use these sheets and more importantly, how mess-free these sheets are. Cleanup from baking is now going to be a breeze with these parchment paper. First of all, I'll cut the sheets into size according to my baking pan. I have a small square baking pan to make brownie squares, so I'll cut 2 sheets to fit into this pan. And then in goes my brownie batter. The pan is filled halfway and I'll add some bonus chocolate chips because who doesn't like a really chocolatey brownie? And here's the brownie baked fully. We'll turn the baking pan upside down and let the brownie cake fall into my plate. It's easy to remove the parchment paper from the brownie and take a look at the baking pan. Nothing to clean, not even a crumb. And here's a second cake I made. The paper easily tears away from the cake and again, the pan is spotless. So what do you guys think so far? This sure beats using tinfoil, am I right? Here's 2 larger baking sheets. You can see they are well worn from years of baking, but now all I need to do is place a sheet of parchment paper on each. Toss in my frozen barbecue chicken wings on one sheet, spread out the wings, and here they are fully baked. Lots of sauce everywhere, but I don't need to worry about that because nothing has touched my pan besides the parchment paper, which is still intact. I used to place my meats and veggies on tinfoil to bake them in the oven, but the tinfoil would always tear anytime I went in to get some sauce. But not anymore because these sheets of parchment paper, although thin, they are very heavy duty. Take a look at these trays of yams. After putting them in the oven, all I need to do is enjoy the food and then remove the parchment paper. The baking sheets are spotless, no washing required.